Steinjager offers high-lift roll bar mounts for JKs, JKUs, TJs, and LJs. Start with one nut and bolt loosely attaching the clamps. Pivot the bracket over the roll bar and install the second nut and bolt. At this point, we're going to leave the brackets loose because we're going to tighten them up later. Do the same on the other side. And install your jack over the two mounting studs. Install the retaining nuts and tighten both of them. With the jack secured to the brackets, you can now tighten the brackets to the roll bar. And you're good to go! For more information, head over to Steinjager.com. Be sure to follow us on YouTube and Facebook to see more awesome stuff that we're working on. Thanks for watching!